And welcome back with another video, this time about Dutch Gulden, which I just recently, over the last 6 months, I started to collect. And yeah, their design, definitely, it's a classic, it's quite unique, and it's definitely recommended to collect them. And actually, there's not even too many notes to collect, and it's not that hard to get them. And yeah, it's definitely worth it in terms of what you get. And yeah, you can basically get them for face value. So the first one which I have is from 1966, this older version of the 5 Gulden note, which they just a few years later they changed the design to this one, which then was in circulation for a few decades. Yeah, this very classical design, which I would say was ahead of its time. Like they are very modern for the 60s, this design. And of course, in general, this style, you can also find it on, like, for example, Aruba. Yes, here's the 25. Since, yeah, the 70s up until basically the 90s, they had this design. Then they didn't have a 50 golden note for a long time, but then they introduced this one, which is an absolute legendary note. The 50, the sunflower 50. Yes, and there would be the 100 with the portrait. Then there's the 100 with the bird. I will try to get them in the future, and then this is the last 100 note. But first, there's also the 10 gold note with this new design. I think it's from the 90s. No, 1987. Yes, this famous geometric design, also very legendary note. Then there's the 25, of course, with the geometric designs, the 100 and the 1000. But probably I will not get the 1000 because that one is like 400 euros. Yes, but yeah, the 100 definitely. Yeah. And here's this feature. There's the old and the watermark, and then there's like a mouse here. And of course, there's this this golden fluorescent color. Yeah, here it's all over. And also, yes, these marks everywhere. You can see them. Yes. Okay, that's it with the Dutch notes, which I got so far. Also, there's a 250, which, it would be nice to collect, but yeah, let's see.